All rise. Court in session. Honorable Judge Fumi Asaolu presiding. Please be seated. Your Honor, this case is between Stephen Moses versus Omomi Moses.
Hey there, welcome to the show. I am so glad you are here with us today. Get ready for a courtroom experience like no other. Real cases, real drama, and real justice. Don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, and of course, subscribe to stay updated on all the actions. Let's get started. In a fairy courtroom drama, a tearful woman defends herself against her husband's shocking accusation of infidelity. With trembling hands and a defiant voice, she swears she is innocent, claiming her only sin was loving a man who never trusted her. As tempers play and secrets unfold, justice court becomes the battleground of love, betrayal, and suspicion. Who is telling the truth? The heartbroken wife or the wounded husband?
All rise. Court in session. Honorable Judge Fumi Asaolu presiding. Please be seated. Your Honor, this case is between Stephen Moses versus Omomi Moses. Parties on.
Tell him to put his bag down. Thank you, Akin.
Let's put your bag down. You're welcome.
Stephen.
Stephen Moses.
Yeah, Stephen.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me why you are here?
I am here because of my child. I am AA. She is AS. And when he was 2 years, he was diagnosed to be SS. Wow.
Have you repeated the test?
Yes. I've repeated the test twice after that. And repeated our own test too. To be sure that maybe before the marriage, the test we did was wrong. So we repeated our own test too. It was still AA. Yes. So I was confused and I don't understand what she was saying. She was mentioning some things that were not resonating with me. So I kept on living like that until sometimes in March or April, I decided that this is going out of hand. So I said I was going for DNA test.
Do you have anything to say to that?
All what is said is true. But when we first had the test, when we were first diagnosed, why can't he tell me that we should go for DNA? And meanwhile, he didn't even come out straight that he wants to do DNA test. He started misbehaving in the house. So sometimes he won't come home until when one of my brother now said, whenever he's around, that I should let him know. So one evening he just came home. So and my brother now said, let me come and meet him. Until that day that he could say this is what is happening, I didn't know anything. So it was not like telling me that his dad dreamt that he's nursing another person's child. That is the excuse he gave me that day. And it went on like that.
The plaintiff, Stephen Moses, claims that his genotype is AA, while that of his wife is AS. However, their son's genotype turns out to be SS. He stated that this situation is not typical, and he decided to ask more questions about the paternity of the child of the marriage. The defendant, Omomi Moses, affirms the genotype claim. She said that her husband started misbehaving after their son was diagnosed of the sickle cell condition. Judge Fumi wades into this matter.
Okay. So we're here for the DNA results.
Yes.
Can I have the DNA result, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
DNA Diagnostic Center. Test results certificate of analysis. Paternity, maternity, forensic test results. Name of the child. Serioluwa Fowokun Moses. The probability of paternity is 0%. DNA analysis is negative. Stephen Opeyemi Moses is not the biological father of Terry. Oluwa Fowokun Moses. Do you know the father of the child? Do you know the father of the child?
Nobody touched me. Nobody.
You are very sure.
Yes.
The DNA paternity test confirms that the plaintiff is not the biological father of the child, but the defendant insisted that she did not sleep with any other man. Judge Fumi orders a DNA of mother and child to rule out the possibility of child swap at birth. She rules after the break.
You know what I'm going to do?
Yes, ma'am.
This DNA is between you and that child.
Yes.
I'll order another DNA between her
To
and the
her
child.
child. That's
To get result. That's my judgment.
All right.
I just want to rule out probability of child swap. That will be very clear to everybody.
If your baby daddy is denying paternity of the child to avoid upkeep, or you suspect misattributed paternity situations, submit your case online at www.thejusticecourt.com for a prompt resolution of the matter.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode. And hey, make sure to turn on the notification bell. You will want to be the first to know when the next show drops. Catch you in the next one. Bye.